Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Satya SNM and I am your friend Suman. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I will be sharing some of the tips that I follow to maintain healthy hair and reduce hair fall. So if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I post new videos. Okay, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Take protein and vitamin rich foods so that they can strengthen your hair and reduce hair fall. The foods such as eggs, milk, nuts, they contain large amount of protein and vitamins that helps to strengthen your hairs. Second and most important tip is exercise. You must do exercise daily. While you are doing exercise, the blood circulation in the hair and the head, it increases, which helps in reducing your hair fall. Tip number three is scalp massage. When you massage your scalp, the blood circulation around the hairs, it gets stronger, which helps in reducing your hair fall. More is shampooing. It is important that what kind of shampoo you use and when you use. There are many chemical based shampoos in the market and you should avoid that, and you can go for herbal powders like shigakai powders, etc. And when is the right time to shampoo? Usually many of them they use to shampoo daily, but it's not right. Whenever you feel that your hair is oily or your scalp is itchy, then you can use shampoo. You can also shampoo hairs at least two to three times in a week, but most probably it's recommended that you use only 2 times a week. Using chemical shampoos, please dilute it before using it directly on your hairs so that it will not damage your hairs. Using hair dryers on your hair on wet hair will affect your hair and it will lead to hair fall. Let the hair dry on its own in the natural air. When hair is wet, the hair will be so weak, so do not rub your towel harshly on the hair, which will lead to hair fall. Next is about entangling. If your hair is wet and you are trying to entangle it, do not do that. When your hair is wet, it is so weak, and when you try to entangle it, it just pull off from the root and it damages your hair, and which leads to hair fall. So when your hair is wet, just leave it such as, and when it is dried out, after that you can entangle it using wide combs. Entangling your hair, you must always use wide mouth combs so that it will produce little effort or pressure on your hairs, which will not damage your hairs. It is important that you oil your hairs regularly so that they can strengthen the roots and provide you good hair. It is important that what kind of hair oil you use. There are many chemical based hair oils in the market. You must avoid that, and you can use the purest form of hair oil such as coconut oil, castor oil, almond oil. They provide good nutrition to the hair and reduce hair fall. Oiling your hair in at least alternate days with good massage to your scalp will reduce your hair fall and strengthen your hair roots. Is to trim off your split ends. If you have any split ends, you can just trim it off so that your hair will grow naturally and healthy. It's important that what kind of water you use for your hairs. You must avoid hot water which has many chemicals in it which will damage your hairs. Recommended that you must not use any chemical treatment or any hair dryers or any heat appliances on your hairs so that it weakens your hairs and it leads to hair fall. Next is to use the right conditioner. There are many chemical based conditioners in the market. You must not use that. You must avoid that, and instead of that you can use natural conditioners such as aloe vera gel. It just smoothens your hairs and strengthens also. These were some of the tips that I wanted to personally share with you guys. If you wanted to reduce your hair fall, you can use these tips. The main is to have healthy diet. Healthy diet is very much important along with exercise, and massaging your scalp is also important. Please avoid any chemical based shampoos or moisturizers or conditioners that damages your hair. I hope this video was useful. You can share it with your friends and families so that they can be helpful with this video. Thank you for watching. See you again in next video.